Before Jesus called disciples to follow him, he first lived as a son. In the quiet rhythms of home, faith, work, and worship, Jesus grew in wisdom and stature. Joseph may not have many recorded words in Scripture, but his life spoke loudly. He taught not only by instruction, but by example. In Joseph's workshop, Jesus would have seen patience, discipline, skill, humility, and honest labor. The master craftsman did more than shape wood. He modeled a life of faithfulness. Discipleship did not happen only in public places. It happened at home. It happened in prayer. It happened in worship. It happened in the ordinary moments of daily life. Joseph obeyed God when it was costly. He protected what God entrusted to him. He moved when God said move. He stayed when God said stay. Jesus was raised in the rhythms of covenant faithfulness. He saw worship practiced, Scripture honored, and obedience lived. Joseph's influence reminds us that discipleship is not only what we say, it is what others see in us every day. Years later, Jesus would call others to follow him. But before he called disciples, he had lived among examples of faith, work, obedience, worship, and surrender. To disciple is to walk before others in a way that points them to God. Joseph modeled it. Jesus perfected it. And now Jesus calls us to follow him and make disciples. This Sunday, join us as we begin discipleship through the eyes of Jesus and reflect on how Joseph helped shape the earthly life of Jesus through presence, obedience, protection, worship, and example.